Alright, so this is Jay Consulting at welcome po sa aking channel. So in this video, we will going to teach you kung paano nga ba mag-elect ng 8% sa Orus. So madali ang quick guide lang po ito guys. Again, first step, login nyo po yung Orus account niyo. And then, after nyo malagin po, you click the update information. And then click nyo po itong correction, change update of registration. And then, if ever po hindi nyo po makita itong blue button na to, punta po kayo ng profile. And then, click nyo po itong synchronize. Alright, so proceed tayo. Click nyo po yung update information. And then, proceed, click nyo po itong head office. And then, click nyo po itong validate. So, antay lang po natin. And, of course, i-click natin itong information to update. And then, click nyo po itong avail of 8% tax rate option. So, click po natin yan, and then click OK. And then, if you wish na basahin po ito, basahin nyo lang po, no? Pero, basically, ang sinasabi lang dyan is, nagsisignify po kayo ng 8% election. Click nyo po itong box dito, and then, click continue. After that, if gusto nyo pong basahin ulit, yung mga nakasulat dito, basahin nyo po, and then, click nyo lang po itong tatlo. And then, submit application. And then, that's it, no? So, yan na po, no? Na-elect na po natin yung taxpayer as 8%. And then, click nyo po yung proceed.